What's up, YouTube? Just got this mini PC in from Temu. Let's see what it's all about. See it? See it? Let's open it up. Alright. I want to come out of the box. Boom. Manual. Warranty. Alright. Let's see, it's tiny. It's tiny. There it is. See it? There goes the back. Nice little compact design. You know. I wonder how it matches up to an Xbox and a PS5. Let's see what else is in here. This box is like it don't want to even open. All right, so power cord, mount. If I want to mount it, I don't know what this is. HDMI, screws. Okay, so it don't look bad. Still, the specs were AMD 7640HS processor. The graphics is AMD Radeon 760M, 5 gigahertz max turbo, 16 gigabytes DDR5, and 512 gigabytes hard drive, 2 USB 3s, 2 USB 2s, and yeah, seems like it could play some games. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna hook it up and see what's up with it. It don't look bad at all. It's nice and compact. So I'll hook this up and see what's up. Check out the top. It's a magnetic top, and it's easy to get in there. Look, I put some more RAM in there. You change the hard drive. Oh, easy, easy, easy. That's what's up. Magnetic top. All right. So there it is, all hooked up. This is really a mini. It's a mini for real. All right, let me turn it on and see what happens. Let's see. That's the company that makes them. All right, cool. So I'm gonna set this up and get back to it. All right, so all set up. All set up now. So let's see the specs. So these are the specs. So I should be able to do some gaming on this. Like I said, it's a mini PC from Temu. So this look like some good specs. Processor, graphics card, okay, and RAM. And I can always upgrade the hard drive space and the RAM. So let's see how this processor does with gaming. Alright, load it up, and it looks good. Looks good. I mean, no lagging. So I'm gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna have some fun with this for real. I mean, mini PC from Temu. Mini gaming PC. Kind of like a little steam machine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Alright? Have a good one.